What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today we're going to be working on the hatch. We're going to be taking everything that we can and try to make it better, and then we're going to paint it and we're going to try to sell it. So stay tuned. Day 2. It's been super cold here. I know I'm bitching, but it's super cold lately. This is what we've done. We've cleaned up the bay and resprayed some certain areas. You see how we kept it, you know, nice. Putting everything back together. The car already ran, and so I'm gonna be working on the roof today. I'm gonna get that all sanded down. Then I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna mask for painting. This is everything that I've gotten from my brother's car. That car right there, this car, transferred over. These SR5 mirrors, which are my favorite mirrors. Look at this T3 short shifter. It's super sexy. A couple of his other pieces here. Mine were not as pretty. His are better. Nice and uncracked. If you're wondering what we're going to do is we're just going to paint that car and sell it and get it out of here. He has another car that he wants. And so, been working on that. You know, JDM wheel. JDM Ziki grill fits perfectly in there. Looks amazing with the bumper. And a couple of other things. I'm going to be swapping out wheels here. He's going to be running those to sell them. He's going to be trading me some rewinds for those. Here's the RX-7 big brake kit. That's not going to stay on here. We're going to swap over everything else as well. Hopefully we'll be able to get to that like by this weekend. The big thing is we're going to try to spray it either today or tomorrow morning because it's going to be raining again soon. And if it does, then we're not going to have time to do that until Sunday or Monday. So let's look at what he's done. I mean, what I've done his. Put the stock steering wheel back in. stock shifter console. He has speakers, kooky panels, kooky seats, clean black interior, decently clean dash, nice black dome light with LEDs. That works most of the time. Voltmeter, you see this voltmeter? Sony deck. Floor mats. But yeah, I mean, we might post this up soon. As soon as we finish it, we're gonna be posting it up for sale. Probably not on Club 86, but we'll see. Yeah, hit me up. Let me know what you guys think about my new JDM Zinky grill. I love it personally. I might even be... Oh, shoot. I might even be getting a Zinky rear. Just to complete the whole thing. Who knows? Who knows? But excited about these mirrors. They look good. I'll touch base with you guys again as soon as I finish. So this is what we're gonna be doing. See how cloudy these are? Super cloudy, super dirty. This is what we did to it before. I mean, this is the other side. They're the same. And I'm just going to take them off, clean them off, rinse them off, and throw them back on. I'll show you the process. It's about to rain. Take them off. What we'll do is we'll bring orange goop. We'll drop these here. Spray a little in here. Just use your fingers inside and outside. Do it at a quicker pace if you can, but I forgot my stand, so this is more gentle than sanding it. This orange goop has a little bit of a sand inside of it, or whatever kind of media it is, and what it does is it takes all the dirt and grime off, but it doesn't actually sand down the lens, so you're able to clean it off, rough it up a little bit, but not too much. So we saw the before, and that's probably how it's gonna look. See, super dirty. There you have it. Look how beautiful it is. And super clear, really nice. I'm gonna throw it back in the car and then show you how that goes. There you have it. Check that out. So sexy. It's beautiful. Before and after is insane. That thing is amazing. Alright guys, here's another look at JDM Zinky grill. The other light and the whole front. It's about to rain, so this is gonna be it. Thanks for watching, guys.